Looking to upgrade your floors? Whether for your home or business, vinyl flooring is the perfect solution for style, durability, and affordability. With our vinyl flooring, you get the best of both worlds. Realistic designs that mimic natural materials like hardwood, stone, and tile, without the hefty price tag. It's soft underfoot, making it perfect for families and pets. Plus, vinyl is water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about spills or moisture ruining your floors. Spills happen. But with vinyl, cleanup is quick and easy. No stains, no stress. And installation? It's a breeze. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or prefer professional help, vinyl flooring is designed for hassle-free installation with a variety of options, including click-lock and glue-down methods. Transform any room in your home in no time. Vinyl flooring is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, and even basements. It's versatile enough for every style, from modern to traditional. Not only does vinyl look amazing, but it's built to last. Strong, durable, and resistant to scratches and dents, it's the perfect choice for high-traffic areas. And maintenance? A simple sweep or mop is all it takes to keep your floors looking brand new. No special cleaning products are required. So, why choose vinyl flooring? It's affordable, beautiful, easy to maintain, and built to withstand the everyday wear and tear of your busy life. Visit the Genixflooring online store or shop to find the perfect vinyl flooring solution for your home or business today. With endless styles and colors, you're sure to find the ideal match. Step into the future of flooring with vinyl. Stylish, affordable, and ready for whatever life throws your way.